Hello everybody, it's me, the Diverkins1816, here with Sapphire, my webkin signature Australian Shepherd. And today is just a little short video because I want to show you something that's been going on since yesterday. It's kind of very bright outside, and it's outside and I have I can't go outside because I only have this on, literally just a shirt. That sounds weird, but I'll show you. It is still snowing, but you guys, it's hard to see, but it is still snowing. Look at that. It's still snowing. You can kind of see that right here now. It is still snowing, and that is crazy. It is so freezing by this store right now. Oh my gosh. But I can feel the air. But it's so cold. Look, you can see little bird friends. See little bird friends. Cute, I love birds. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one because I will be uploading a Webkinz music video that I've been working on since last night because I was editing it last night. And here comes Angel to join us. Ew, she just spit. That was disgusting, Angel. But yeah, this has been going on for quite a while. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me Angel just spit on Sapphire, because I will kill this dog. No. But, yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!